Tell us, who are you, where are we, and what's the deal with Antarctica? What should everyone know?
My name is Zach. I actually live in Thunder Bay, outside Thunder Bay, and I run a business called It's Such a Nice Day Adventures. But in the opposite time of year, I spend my time working with polar latitudes. So right now we're paddling in a bay called Fournier Bay on Amherst Island off the Antarctic Peninsula. There's whales about, there's seals about, lots of beautiful ice formations. Ancient glacial ice. It's been here for thousands and thousands of years.
A long, long time ago.
All right, we just came across a sleeping whale. Tell us, Zach, more about this.
We have a humpback whale here. Special humbling fact to see a whale in real life in the wild, and the Antarctica is one of the best places to see these humpbacks. They feed on krill. So krill's a little tiny crustacean almost type shrimp species, which is the root of all the feeding species down here. So one day you'll have to meet Krill and Bill, the star krill, that can tell you more about krill.
That was a big one. I hate it when that happens. Hey, Will, is that you? Of course it's me. Can't you tell? No, not if we all look the same. I don't. Will, we are krill. We are meant to look the same. Not me, Bill. There's only one of me in all the world. There! Maybe that's a black hole. They're just myths. Scary talk. Keep us in the swarm. Coming out of nowhere. Swallowing everything in its path. For something that doesn't exist, it's very impressive.
And krill also feed on phytoplankton, right?
Yeah.
And phytoplankton, it supplies 40 to 50% of the world's oxygen. Sounds like Mama might be waking up.